Hello, this is Jackie Estep with Paul's Fan Company, and here I'm with Regis Matney. He is our operations manager and sales representative for our domestic and Mexican market. We're going to be talking today about the benefits of correct installation for your main fan. You know, we've seen over our 63 years of experience in building and installing main fans that there is a right way and a wrong way to correctly erect and install a fan. And we'd like to show you a few things about the right way to put a fan in place and commission it. So, Regis, why don't you share with us a few details?
Thank you. And as Jackie mentioned, there is a correct way and there is a wrong way. In order for us to have the success that our fans have had in that field, some of our fans have run in excess of 40 plus years. And one of the first things that we do to achieve a long life of our fan starts with the base. Here at Paul's Fan Company, we go above and beyond our competitors. By doing that, we actually create this rigid steel frame. And this frame sets already on the ground into a solid concrete surface. Mm-hmm. Then when we put the frame in, the frame is then welded and fastened together and is encased in concrete ready mix.
So it's highly stable.
Yes. And by gaining the stabilization, you also lower the vibration and you create a foundation for the fan to operate on. We have found with our foundations that this makes the fan be successful, the longevity is increased tremendously, and it increases the performance of the fan.
Mm-hmm. Which helps for long-term performance and usability and life for your fan as well.
Correct. It also, the advantage of our frame design, allows us, when we show up on site to install the fan, mm-hmm. It allows us to speed up that process because the frame is already positioned and built for just the one type of fan that you are purchasing, and it's already calibrated with the correct distances for each item to be located, and it will allow expedited and speedy recovery and installation of the fan.
And that really helps you as our customer because we can get you up and running in a much shorter build time.
Yes, typically once all components are on site and the foundation work is done, you can typically have the fan ready for operation within 2 to 3 week time frame. Or in some circumstances, we have done that a lot faster as well.
Mm-hmm. Just depending on environmental situations and circumstances.
True.
We're going to include some photos and architectural renderings of these platforms, and then some photos of the completed fan in production so that you can see some beginning to end descriptions and pictures of this example.
Very well.
With the frame.
Yes. At Paul's Fan Company, we found that the foundation to our fans is the success of our fans performing for a longevity of time. All good things start with a solid foundation. So does Paul's Fans. Thank you.